Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions. Check Ibis Paint X and your device OS so compatibility issues are obvious. Backup active projects now, export PSD or PNG to cloud or SD because reinstalling can erase data. Once backed up, clear the app cache or force stop the app. This removes temporary corruption without a full reinstall. Doing these steps first saves time and prevents data loss, and it reveals whether the problem is configuration, cache corruption, or something deeper. After backups, uninstall Ibis Paint X and reboot your device to clear lingering processes that can lock files. Reinstall the latest app build from the official store. Make sure to grant storage and microphone permissions so tools and file import work. Once installed, restore one backup project first as a test. This checks file compatibility and project settings. If brushes or layers misbehave, reset brush settings or re-import brush packs. These steps isolate whether assets or the app core cause the error. If problems persist, move to advanced fixes. Update device GPU drivers, or if unavailable, enable software rendering in Ibis Paint X to avoid hardware acceleration bugs. Also check file size and layer counts. Huge files can crash. Split large projects into sections or flatten non-essential layers. Once done, test export and import flows. If the error remains, collect an error log in your device model, then contact support. This speeds diagnosis. One key tip: try a different device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.